Alrighty, welcome back to Dixie Do's channel, and today she's going to be opening up her August 2019 BarkBox, which just came this morning. And yeah, here she goes. You got this. You're so excited. But when aren't you excited for BarkBox? Are you having issues? I honestly think they made these boxes a little different because the last two boxes she's had issues getting into. Ew, it's soggy. Ew! Alright, let's do it. Oh, that was too easy. That was too easy. What theme do you got? It looks pretty colorful. Do you want a hand? Of course I want a hand. Oh, let's see what the theme is. It looks like the dog days. Oh, I bet this is like a summery box. Oh, no spoilers. No spoilers. I hear a crinkly toy. What's in there, Dixie? You gonna get it out? Oh. What is it? Oh, it looks like a little cooler. Wonder if that has some puppers in it. Can I see it? Oh, it's cute. And it looks like there's something in it. Oh, Dixie, sorry my room's so messy. I'm getting ready to be selling at a flea market. Alright, let's see what else is in here. It looks like you got this little... I don't even know what it is. What is it? It says I float. No, can I not show your friends? Oh. What is that supposed to be? Like a pool floaty? And then inside it looks like you got some treats called Have a Cow Dog beef recipe dog treats with chickpeas and carrots. Dixie hates carrots, but maybe she'll like them. Then it looks like your little chew is this fun little thing that looks like, oh, it's a beef chew. Gnarly, dude. It kind of looks like a popsicle. I'm pretty sure that's what they were going for. And then lastly, her other treats are Quack Dat Chickies? Chicken recipe dog treats with cranberries and duck. Oh, that just sounds cruel. So let's see. Let's see the cooler. Let's see the cooler. Can I see the cooler? Dixie, can I see the cooler? Look at it. Oh, he looks miserable. Oh, I think this one floats too. Too bad Dixie hates the water. Yeah, it floats. These are water toys. Cute. Can I see? I don't think you can get into that. Or can you? Does it come out? Dixie's like, I'll show you how it's done, Mom. Oh, while she's doing that, it looks, can I not try any? I want to see if you can get it out. Oh, it looks like there's a beer in there. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. One sec. So I cheated and got the summer ale out of it. I'm gonna have to put it back in there so then she has more than just an empty cooler as a toy. But yeah, it's pretty cute. And the guy's name was, the cooler's name was Cool Bill. Hold on. Oh, it's Chill Bill the Cooler. Cute! What's this one saying? What's this one saying? Hazy Waves Boogie Board. Oh, that's what this is. It's a boogie board, but it looks like all the toys from this collection are for like the pool or like lake. And it looks like, aw, they have a slushie and melted ice cream. These toys are always so cute. But yeah, let's see if Dixie likes these treats. Dixie, you want to try a treat? Or do you want to play with your toy? Want to play with your toys? She like ran off with the beer can. All right, let's try. Have a cow dog. Dixie, come over here. Dixie, sit. Oh, you're gonna lay down? Okay, you ready? You ready for your treat? You're being so good. These kind of look like Twizzlers. Let us know what you think. Are these a summer win? Looks like I got a vacuum too. Surprise, surprise. Oh yeah, I think Dixie likes these. Usually she's a lot slower at trying to eat her treats, but not this time. Was that treat Dixie approved? Of course it was. Dixie loves her treats. All right, let's try the other one. These Quack Dad chickies. Oh, they're so cute. You're gonna get one out for me? Do you want to get one out? No? Ew, they feel really, I don't like the texture. Dixie, sit. Dixie, lay down. Where are you going? Gonna eat next to your elephant? You're eating next to an elephant's butt. Well, I think she actually really likes these treats. Oh, I don't know. She spit that one like all out. Texture's weird for you too, isn't it? Sitting all weird. How was that one? That's a cat toy. That's a cat toy. You can have another one later. Yeah. Alright, well, it looks like this was a fun little box to end summer because summer is ending very soon. You're not getting anywhere. Stop. I'm gonna get your cooler. I'm gonna get your cooler. Ah! Look at it. It's Mr. Cooler. But no, she's on my bed trying to get more treats. Do I have to put them on the floor? You're not being a good YouTube dog. Yeah. See? Alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already because Dixie loves you almost as much as she loves her summer ale. Right? Drink, drink, drink. Are you getting tipsy? Are you getting tipsy at your picnic? Alright, bye guys.